Hi, today's lesson is about using be going to talk about future plans. I'm going to go to the park with my sister this afternoon. We're going to play basketball. Excuse me just a moment. Hello? Oh, it is? Okay. Sure, that's fine. Okay. Bye. That was my sister. It's going to rain all afternoon. We aren't going to play basketball today. We're going to watch a movie instead. We use be going to and the base form of the verb to talk about the future. I'm going to go to the park. We're going to play basketball. It's going to rain. Notice how we form affirmative statements with be going to. Use a subject, a form of the verb be, going to, and the base form of a verb. In conversation and informal writing, use contractions. For example, I'm going to eat. He's going to go. They're going to meet. To make negative statements, place not before going to. For example, I am not going to eat. He is not going to eat. Or, you are not going to eat. Notice with negative statements, we can use contractions in different ways. For example, he's not going to eat. He isn't going to eat. You are not going to eat. Or, you aren't going to eat. We can only contract I am not to I'm not. For example, I'm not going to eat. I'm going to go now. I'm going to go watch a movie with my sister. See you next time.